Alright, I'm picking up where I left off in the last one. In the last video, we made it where if the asteroid went off the left side, it went ahead and popped out on the right side. See, I don't think it's going to go left, but okay, it went to the right. Let's take a look at our code and see if we can add some more stuff for it coming out the right side. Okay, so if the asteroid goes out of bounds on the left side, we want it to move it to the right side. Alright, so let's make another if statement. If position dot x, and now we want to do the opposite, right? If it goes too high, so if it gets too far to the right, so if it gets to be above the right, so you'll notice I flipped my symbol around here. I'm going to say if it goes too far off on the right side, so just type it. If it goes too far on the right, then I need to move it to the left side. So I'll say position dot y is equal to left bound. Let's see if we get some motion horizontally here. Nope. Let's try again. Nope. More vertical motion. Come on, horizontal. There we go. Okay, so if it comes off this right side, it should appear back over here on the left. I didn't get to see that. Oh, I put an X, or I put Y right there instead of X. Okay, so this should be X. Alright, let's see what we get. Nope. There we go, but that's going to be too fast. Oh, okay, we saw it. Alright. Let's go ahead and add some stuff for the verticals here. Now, remember, our verticals are up backwards in Godot, so y is negative. So we'll say if position dot y is less than, and then we need to use our top bound. So I'll say top bound. Then we want to move it to the bottom bound. So position dot y is equal to bottom bound, and then we'll do one more. If, what did I mess up here? Top bound, did I spell it wrong? Oh, I have a random equal sign. So now we'll say if top bound is greater than, if top bound dot y is greater than top bound, oops, no. What am I doing here? If position dot y is greater than top, or greater than bottom bound, then we want to put it at the top. So we'll say position dot y is equal to top bound. Okay, so if it goes off the screen at the top, then we want to put it at the bottom. If it goes off the screen at the bottom, we want to put it at the top. And over here, this is where we're telling it where our top bound and bottom bound is. So the top bound is 0 and our bottom bound is 600. Alright, let's see if this works. I may have made a mistake here, and if I did, we'll figure out how to fix it. Alright, so it's flying off to one side, and it looks like that top one worked. Okay, so that's good. So it's flying off the top. When it hits the top, it gets warped to the bottom. When it hits the right, it gets moved to the left. Okay, so let's see if we can get another one going in the different direction, maybe to the left. Okay, good. So left and down, exactly opposite of what we had. So it goes off the bottom, comes out the top, and there we go. We did it. Excellent. All right, I hope you guys learned something about conditional statements, and also got to learn how to use the position. So you get to learn how to change the object's position on the map just by using position.x. You could also use position is equal to, and then use this little vector 2 here, which will allow you to set them both at the exact same time. But anyway, that's all I've got for you today. You guys have a good rest of the week. See you later.